Hi, ladies and gentlemen, we are given question 5. 5.1 says simplify the following expression in one trigonometric term. Right, you're supposed to simplify this to one trigonometric term. Okay, no problem. We're given there. It's 5.5.1. We're given what are we given there? We're given 5.1 sine x over all over cos x multiplied by tan x, right, plus sine 180 degrees plus x multiplied by cos 90 degrees minus x. This is what we have there. It's 5 marks, right? So can simplify this. Okay, can start here. Equal sign, we have sine x, our numerator. Then here we have cos x. We can change tan, is the same as sine over cos x, right? Here plus this, you see, we can reduce that, we can apply our cast diagram. We know here we have what, 180 minus theta over 180 plus theta, right? Also we have 90 here minus theta here. So we have 90 plus theta here. Here we have theta, we have 90 minus theta, we have 360 plus theta, we have 360 minus theta, also have negative theta. So this is all student take chemistry. As you can see there, only tan is positive here, so this will be simply equals to, because here I just put this will affect, this will be negative, will just affect that positive sign. This negative will affect this positive sign, so we'll simply have the negative sine x. So we have multiplied that by cos negative. You see, all trigonometric ratio are positive. 90 minus that means we'll have positive cos there. As you can see, we'll have positive sign. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we can multiply here by sine x. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this and this will cancel, this and that will cancel, we've left with 1. This will be minus this. When you multiply this, you'll have sine squared x. Ladies and gentlemen, this is equal to cos squared x, right? We are done with that. So again, we have 5.2. Without using a calculator, determine the value of sine squared 35 minus cos squared 35 all over 4 sine 10 cos 10. We have there, we're given sine squared 35 degrees minus cos squared 35 over 4 multiplied by sine 10 multiplied by what, cos 10. Ladies and gentlemen, supposed to solve this. No, this is 5.2. Okay, so it's what we have here, ladies and gents. So this is equal to, as you can see here, what comes on your mind? You want to change this? No. Or you want to do what? It's up to you. But all I know, ladies and gentlemen, this cos squared minus cos squared x, for example, minus sine squared x, this simply give us what? Cos 2x. It's a double angle of cos, but we'll start by cos, right? Not by sine. This is sine. However, in law of math, if you're given 1 a subtract by b, for an example, you want to interchange this variable. For argument's sake, you want to have b to want to interchange. So when you interchange here, you'll include a negative outside. You understand? Let's say they said 5 minus 3. You want to interchange this to write it around. You'll have 3 minus 5, but you take out the negative. There must be negative here outside of the parentheses. So again, for more practice, let's say given 2x minus y. You want to interchange this, you'll have negative, then you interchange. So this is what will happen there. Ladies and gents, we can say minus, then we can interchange that squared 35 minus sine squared 35, right? So ladies and gents, I can rewrite 4 is the same as 2 times 2. I can say 2 times 2, then here I have sine 10 multiplied by cos 10. So there on the top, this is what is this? It's a double angle of cos. It says same as negative. Will be cos. You add that, will be what? 30. Then multiply that by 2. Will be 70. Same as 70 degrees. Okay, these are in degrees either way. Hopefully you understand. Those are in degrees over. What about this? You see that it's a double angle of sine. Remember, we have this sine here, we have these two, we write these two down, we have these two there, but this one will change to become a double angle, which is our double angle here will be of sine, will be sine 20, isn't it? Because we are given 10 here, will be 22. 10 times 2 is 20. Ladies and gents, amazing thing again here. Check here, when we divide this, but check the angles. 90 plus 90 will be 90. I want to say 70 plus 20 will give us 90. See, ladies and gents, this is a cofunction. You can change any that you want. You can change, you can either change the one on the top to become sine 20, or you can change the one on the bottom. You can change cos sine 20 to become cos 70. It's up to you, but you change one, not all of them, one at a time. So we'll have negative, let's say change the one on the top, simply have negative sine, that is negative sine what, 20 degrees, isn't it, over 2 sine 20. ladies and gents, this and this will minus, will cancel there. We'll have minus 1 over 2. So this is what we'll have there, 1 over 2, guys, as you can see there. Right, 1 over 2. So 5.2, we're given cos 26 is equal to m. All right, then they said without using a calculator, determine, even you see they use a bold color, the black one, so that you can see well, so that you cannot make an excuse by using and calculate. So use your calculator. Do not use a calculator. They determine sine squared 77 in terms of m. They say that means your n. When they say in terms of m, what they say in terms, that means your final answer must have something to make with m. There must be m there. If you get finite number, then you are wrong. You're supposed to get a number that has m something there. So we have these guys. So what can I say? They were given cos 26 is equal to m. Then they say us to determine 2 sine squared 77 without using a calculator. Without using a calculator, 5 point what? I don't remember, but it is 5.3. Okay. 5.3. Can separate this a bit here. This is what we have. We are given this term. We are given that. So we're supposed to simply evaluate this, calculate this in terms of m without using a calculator. It must be in terms of m. Okay, fine. You see this type of question, maybe I know, maybe you're going to say this is m or n. Let me be okay, it's m. I know maybe ln I'm going to say over 1. Then see, this is on the first quadrant. You're going to do like this. I know you're going to say it like this and write nicely your 26. Then here, your cos is what adjacent over hypotenuse. This is obviously going to be 1 minus m squared. You're going to do like this, isn't it? That is what I know. That is what I know. You're going to do like this, right? Okay, so a nice thing here, we have 26. Okay, here we have 90. That was going to be a nice try though. Minus 26 minus 90, and you are going to get this to be 64, that angle there. Then boom, we have 77. What's going on here? We're going to, wow, what's going on here? You'll be like, yo, what the heck, what is going on there? You're going to be, oh, what's going on there? You're going to be just amazed, just literally amazed. So that was going to be something else, isn't it? Okay, ladies and gents, 77. How can we rewrite 77? If I can say 90 minus 13 for argument's sake. Okay, how can we rewrite this? You can use a special angle cofunction. What are you saying now? Can use a cofunction. 77 is the same as, I can say 90 minus 13. This will give me 77. I don't want to change that. I had no choice but to do this. Fine. That's nice though. I could try. Okay, it's a good try. Why? Because I see there, I just tried to divide this by 2. Then I got the half, which is 13. The half of 26 is 13. So, yeah. So, ladies and gents, without wasting time here, we'll have 2. This will be same as sine 90 minus 13. We have not changed anything. Ladies and gents, here we have squared, isn't it? So 90, take this 13 as like, picture it as is like this. Picture this thing as like this. You see, this is a cofunction. If we picture it like that, our theta will be 13. Okay, fine. Okay, obviously in first quadrant, 90 minus this will be positive, isn't it? In first quadrant, because this is on the first quadrant, 90 minus this it's on the first quadrant, and all trigonometric ratios are positive term. So we will have 2, then this will simply change to become what? Cos. Either way, simply change to become, we'll have 2 cos 13, but we have the square there. Do not forget that. What? You have 13. If you check what's going on, I have 13, but I don't have 13 here. I have 26. In here I have 26. But oh, come on guys, do not worry about that much. Do not worry about that much. 13, as you can see, little bit is like sort of like half angle. However, but what about this? Well, I think we have something to do with that. If you want to change that, or you can simply change this. Oh, that's it. You see, look. Ladies and gents, this is doubles this, doubles 13. So can use a double angle of what? Of course, let's say now you want the double angle of 26. Right, this we're going to have what? The one that has cos, you're going to say 2 cos 13. Yeah, guys, this here we have this 13. Then obvious will be minus 1. Here we have what? Squared, isn't it? So we have this here. Why don't you just make the subject of formula this? You can make this the subject. You can take this one to the other side. If we take 1 to the other side, we'll have simply have cos 6 minus 1 is equal to 2 cos squared 13. But if you want to write it in your nice form, I don't know, maybe like this: 2 cos squared 13 cos 26 minus 1, for argument's sake. Right, we have this. This is the same as what is what we have there, isn't it? So, but now, yes, but now we have this. We have cos 26. What is cos 26? Even from the question, see, cos 26 is what? It's m over 1 is simply m. So, ladies and gents, this is simply equals to m minus 1. Finish. Simple like this, isn't it? Therefore, 12 cos 13 is simply this. So, ladies and gents, This is what we had here. This, without using a calculator, here's the final answer, m minus